Hello everyone, so for today's video I will teach you how to create a user account without a password. So first, let us search here the computer management. After that, click on local users and groups. And then you'll see these users and groups. Just click the users. These are the user accounts you are using. So click on more actions, new user, and then you will provide your name here. Then uncheck the user must change password at next log on. There's no need to provide full name, description, password, confirm password, and you need to uncheck these boxes here and then click create and then close. Okay, so you have your new user account here without a password. So that's all everyone, and thank you for watching.